In today's video, I am going to teach you how to call from Freshsales CRM. This is a simple process, but it helps to know exactly where to look in the interface so you can place a call quickly while you are reviewing a contact record. Before you begin, make sure calling is enabled for your account. In Freshsales, the click-to-call dialer will only work if your organization has access to a calling number through a paid calling setup. If you do not see the phone icon later on, that is usually the reason. To get started, look at the left sidebar in Freshsales. From there, navigate to the Contacts module. This opens your contact list view, where you can browse and search through your saved records. If you have many contacts, it can help to use the search bar or filters at the top of the list to find the person you need. But the key is that you are working from the contacts list. Once you can see the list of contacts, find the record you want to call. Then hover your mouse over the name of that record in the list view. As you hover, Freshsales reveals quick action controls for that contact, so you do not have to open the full record just to place a call. When the quick actions appear, look next to the phone number and find the phone icon, which is the call dialer button. Click that phone icon to start the call. Freshsales will open the dialer and begin the calling process using your configured calling number. At this point, you can continue with your normal call flow, such as waiting for the connection and speaking with the contact. If the phone icon does not appear when you hover, double-check that the contact has a phone number saved in the record and that your account has calling enabled with an active number. Also, confirm you are hovering directly over the contact name row in the list view, since the icon typically appears only in that hover state. That covers everything you need to know.